In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email doc as attachment. By the end, you'll be able to send a document straight from your editor as an email attachment with confidence, without jumping between apps or worrying about formatting surprises. First, open the document you want to send. Take a moment to glance through it and make any final edits. Save your changes so the version you send is the version you intend. It also helps to give the file a clear, professional name so the recipient instantly knows what it is when it lands in their inbox. Next, go to the File menu at the top of your document window, choose Email, and then select Email this file. This built-in option prepares your document to be sent as an attachment directly from the app you're working in. If you don't immediately see it, look carefully in the File menu for email-related options. The wording can vary slightly between programs, but Email this file is the choice you want. You'll now be prompted to choose a file format for the attachment. This decision matters. If you want to preserve the exact look of your document across devices, choose PDF. It locks in your layout, fonts, and spacing so it appears the same for everyone. If you expect the recipient to edit the content, choose a Word-compatible format so they can open and modify it easily. Keep in mind that some formats can grow the file size, so when in doubt, PDF is often the safest, most widely compatible option. After that, enter the recipient's email address and your message. Type the address carefully to avoid delivery issues, and consider adding a clear subject line that describes the document. In your message, briefly explain what the file is, why you're sending it, and any action you need from the recipient. A short, friendly note sets the right tone and makes it easier for them to respond. Finally, click Send. The app packages your chosen format, attaches it to the email, and sends it off. You'll typically see a quick confirmation that it's been dispatched. If there's an error, review the address, make sure you selected a compatible format, and try again. And that's it. Open the document, use File, Email this file, pick the right format, enter the recipient details in your message, and hit Send. With these steps, you'll send polished, professional attachments directly from your document editor, with the right format for your audience and a message that clearly explains what they're receiving.